Yo, what's up guys, it's Noah from Glitchmaker, and I am probably a little gremlin you have seen on YouTube Shorts that absolutely obliterates people with green shells, bombs, and bananas in Mario Kart 8 Deluxe. And these videos are pretty simplistic in nature. You see the clip, you see a blurry image in the background, and some text. But let's show you how I actually make them. So to start, I'm just going to hit New Project in CapCut. Then I'm going to import the clip. Next, I'm going to change the aspect ratio. Since we are using this as a YouTube short, we just click the short video template. And then I scale up the video. So here I'm at Effects, Video Effects. We wait for it to load. Lens, Blur. Then we set it to good enough. We just drag this to the end. Delete this. And then we add another overlay, which is the exact same video. Scale it up just a tiny bit. Then we have the video where it can play out with something to keep the viewers entertained in the background. Then we can add just whatever text. In this clip, I snapped somebody in midair with a banana on accident, so banana SLAMMA. And then I style the text a bit, usually. I usually put it up here. Make it last the entire time. And then export it. So while we wait for this, we'll probably turn it into a time lapse.
Funky comes the best Mario Kart character. Nobody beats the funky monkey. Nobody. Not even you. Don't pat at me like that.
So, to recap what we've done, we can go to my files, into the videos folder, turn up the audio and let her play. And down they go. So that's how I edit all my Mario Kart shorts. So thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.